A free TradingView account is a no-cost way to access professional quality financial charts and basic trading tools. It allows users to analyze markets such as Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks using real-time price data and essential indicators without paying a subscription fee. This type of account is especially suitable for beginners, students, and traders who are still learning, as it provides a solid introduction to technical analysis and market behavior. While the free version includes helpful features like charting tools and limited alerts, some advanced options are restricted compared to paid plans. Overall, a free TradingView account is an excellent starting point for new traders who want to learn, practice, and build confidence before deciding to upgrade to more advanced features.
Creating a free TradingView account is a quick and simple process that takes less than a minute. First, you visit the official TradingView website by going to tradingview.com. Once the website opens, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button, which is usually visible at the top of the page. You can then choose how you want to register, either by using your email address or by signing up with Google or Apple for faster access. After completing the sign-up step, TradingView will send a verification email to confirm your account. Once you verify your email, your free account is ready to use, giving you immediate access to charts, market data, and basic trading tools at no cost.
In this step, you choose how you want to create your TradingView account. TradingView offers several sign-up options to make the process easy and flexible for everyone. You can register using your email address by creating a username and password, or you can sign up quickly using existing accounts such as Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Using Google or Apple is usually the fastest option because it requires fewer steps and no additional passwords. You simply select the method that is most convenient for you, follow the on-screen instructions, and move forward to complete your account setup smoothly. You enter your personal account details to complete the sign-up process. If you are using the email option, you simply type in your email address, create a secure password, and choose a username that will represent you on TradingView. After that, you accept the terms and conditions to continue. This process does not require any payment information, so you can create your account without adding a credit or debit card. Once these details are submitted, you move closer to accessing TradingView's free tools and charts. In the final step, you need to verify your email address to activate your TradingView account. After signing up, TradingView sends a verification message to your email inbox. You simply open that email and click on the Confirmation or Verify Account link inside it. This quick step confirms that your email address is valid and secures your account. Once the verification is complete, your TradingView account becomes fully active and ready to use, allowing you to start exploring charts and market tools immediately. With a free TradingView account, you get access to a wide range of useful tools that are ideal for learning and basic market analysis. You can view real-time charts using basic market data and apply up to 3 indicators on each chart, such as RSI or moving averages. The free account also includes drawing tools that allow you to add trend lines and mark support and resistance levels. In addition, you can set one price alert to stay informed when the market reaches a specific level. You also gain access to community ideas and public scripts where traders share their analyses and strategies. Overall, a free TradingView account is perfect for beginners who want to learn technical analysis and explore the platform before upgrading. While a free TradingView account is very useful for beginners, it does come with some limitations. You can only use a limited number of indicators on each chart, which may restrict more advanced technical analysis. The number of price alerts is also limited, so you cannot track many market levels at the same time. In addition, advertisements may appear while you are using the platform, which can be distracting. The free account also offers fewer chart layout options and usually allows only one chart or tab view at a time. However, these limitations do not prevent beginners from learning, practicing analysis, and becoming familiar with TradingView before upgrading to a paid plan. Beginners should start with a free TradingView account because it allows them to learn and practice without any financial risk. Using a free account, new traders can focus on understanding how markets move, learning how to read price charts, and becoming familiar with basic technical analysis tools.
It gives them the opportunity to practice drawing trend lines, using indicators, and observing market behavior in real time, all without pressure. A free account also helps beginners decide at their own pace whether TradingView meets their needs and if upgrading to a paid plan is worthwhile in the future. Overall, starting free allows beginners to build knowledge, confidence, and skills before making any financial commitment.
Creating a free TradingView account is quick, simple, and completely free, making it an ideal starting point for anyone interested in trading or market analysis. In just a few minutes, traders can gain access to powerful charts and essential tools that help them start analyzing financial markets right away. With no cost involved, users can focus on learning, practicing, and improving their skills without pressure. This makes TradingView a great platform to understand market movements, explore technical analysis, and build confidence before moving on to more advanced features.